Hello, everybody. Just want to cover a topic that's kind of was frustrating to me today. Not frustrating, but something that crosses my path quite a bit in my field of work. I work as a certified nutritional consultant at a health food store in Tampa, Florida. And sometimes we have customers come in and they're looking for a specific thing that their doctor told them to get, which is understandable, and it's good that doctors are at least recommending a supplement. But the thing is sometimes doctors don't know supplements and nutrition the way that they think they do, or the way that or people think that they do, or their patients. The thing is there are a lot of doctors out there, yes, that are educated pretty well in nutrition and that are getting more into integrative medicine and understanding that nature is very powerful and they're being open to it. And then you have a lot of doctors that are extremely cognitively dissonant, meaning that they refuse to believe that everything they were been taught in medical school could be wrong, especially with nutrition that has everything to do with our health. Whereas I've had some doctors plainly state to me that nutrition has nothing to do with our health, which is just the biggest joke ever. I mean, I can't even fathom the concept of how even someone would think that. But anyways, the thing is no matter who you are, it is good to listen to your doctor. However, I want you to also consider this. If you ask your doctor, has he ever taken a class in nutrition? And if so, how long was the class? How in depth was it? And then another thing, ask your doctor what grade they got in school, because only a few people graduated at the top of their class. Where was your doctor in that situation? And another thing, I've been in the industry for about a little over 20 years now. I know vitamins, herbs, and supplements and the specifics of all of the brands that are available out there, and a lot of the industry's trade secrets that you're just not going to know. You can't Google it. You can't read a book about it, plain and simple. But one of these things that is something I'm passionate about is I do feel that I know vitamins, herbs, and supplements better than probably 98% of the doctors out there, hands down. But one last thing I want people to consider. When you come in, or when you go to your doctor and you go to a health food store, people come in and they're like, oh, I have to follow what my doctor says. My doctor knows everything. No, they don't. And I'm going to tell you, just do this. Or ask yourself this question. Would you trust that doctor with the PIN number to your bank account and all of the money in it? Probably not. So why on earth would you put your entire life in their hands and do zero research on your own as far as what they are giving you, from vaccines, medications, whatever it may be, whatever they're recommending, surgeries? Do your research. Stop putting your life in their hands. They're making a killing off of you, and you're paying them to completely annihilate your life sometimes. Think about that. Come on, people. It's something that bothers me. Stop putting your life in the hands of doctors. Put your life in the hands of you. Do your research on everything and anything that they tell you profoundly, or find someone such as myself, or someone who has been in the natural side of the industry and has studied this stuff very intensely for many, many, many years. Or pick up a book or read it. Some things you can Google. There's a lot of things and information you can find out. Just do your own research. In Ayurvedic medicine, the word doctor also means to teach. That's what we're supposed to be doing, is teaching people how to take care of themselves. The word doctor in Greek, doser, means to teach. What are they teaching you? What has your doctor taught you lately that was actually good for your health? That's pretty much it for now. Y'all have a wonderful night. I hope you enjoyed this little clip, and I will talk to you in the near future. Got many videos coming. I'm about to blow the roof off, or the top off of the amount of knowledge I've gained in this time. I'm an extremely passionate healer, and you guys are about to get a whole bunch of information that you don't really see on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, anything like that. I see a lot of people posting, there's a lot of beautiful women in yoga pants doing fitness, a lot of big, huge, buff guys doing bodybuilding stuff that's really not that healthy. Some of it is, but anyways, and a lot of people doing things about food, but not really anybody doing anything on supplements. So it's a particular niche that I feel that I have. There is a few other people out there that are doing stuff, but I think I can get a lot deeper and a lot more angles. So anyways, I hope everybody enjoyed. Y'all have a wonderful night, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.